Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your fish tank water clear. First, let's understand why your water might be cloudy. Often, it's due to an imbalance in the tank's ecosystem, perhaps from overfeeding or insufficient filtration. We'll cover the key steps to diagnose and fix these issues, ensuring your aquatic friends thrive in a pristine environment. Getting your water clear is simpler than you might think with the right approach. Effective filtration is your first line of defense against cloudy water. Make sure your filter is rated for your tank size, and clean its media regularly, but not too thoroughly, to preserve beneficial bacteria. Beyond filtration, consistent maintenance is crucial. Performing partial water changes, about 1/4 of the tank volume, every 1 to 2 weeks helps remove accumulated waste and keeps the water parameters stable. This routine prevents many common cloudiness issues. Sometimes, cloudiness stems from specific issues. Overfeeding is a common culprit. Uneaten food breaks down, causing bacterial blooms. Feed only what your fish can consume in a few minutes. Overcrowding also contributes significantly to waste, so ensure your tank isn't home to too many fish. If you're setting up a new tank or have recently cleaned it thoroughly, adding a beneficial bacteria starter can help establish a healthy biological filter, clearing up that milky appearance. For persistent cloudiness, or if you need a quick fix, a water clarifier can help by clumping small particles together for your filter to remove. However, these are temporary solutions. Long-term clarity benefits greatly from live plants, which naturally consume nitrates and provide oxygen, creating a more balanced ecosystem. Remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic deals, including those incredibly durable darn tough socks. Maintaining a clear tank is an ongoing process, but these steps will guide you to success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.